Hello, my dear students. We hope you all are well. Everyone is moving forward to their bright journey. Dear students, the biggest news for you is that the date UG NEET 2024 is registration date is extended and portal will be keep open till 2 p.m. on 11th August 2024 for registration to medical, dental and Ayush courses 2024 in Karnataka. Interested eligible candidates can register and apply online and pay the fees. Please note that this is the last chance given to candidates for registration to UG NEET 2024. More details can be obtained in KEA website regarding registration and further procedures for UG NEET 2024. We, Brilliant Career Solution, regarding your right college selection and counseling and admission and all assistance is our main aim, and for any kind of problem assistance you can contact us through the number and website given on the screen. My all dear students, we wish you all the best for all your goals. Be successful at your destination. And last, for no more and get quick updates, please do channel like, share and comments. Thank you.